Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. I'm Nicole and today we're doing a quick and easy side dish of couscous with peas and peanuts. The peanuts add a little bit of a crunch, while the peas and cilantro lend a little freshness. Using dry instant couscous ensures that it's ready in mere minutes. Flavored lightly with curry, it's a wonderful side dish. We'll heat a splash of olive oil. Once hot, add diced onion and sauté for 3 to 4 minutes. Add broth and peas and bring to a simmer. Stir in curry powder, salt, pepper, peanuts, and couscous. Cover and remove from the heat and allow to sit for 5 minutes. Add cilantro and fluff with a fork. It's a wonderful little side dish that's something just a little bit different. Wonderful with chicken, pork, or lamb. And as always, you will find the full recipe in the description. Thank you for watching today. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a great recipe, or visit me at my website at compelledtocook.com. We'll see you again.